you can go to school for graphic design. This is a structured and well-trodden path that many aspiring designers choose to follow. This is a popular choice among students who prefer a formal education setting. It's a good way to learn the basics and build a strong foundation in design. You'll take classes in design principles, which are essential for any graphic designer. You'll learn about typography, color theory, and other fundamental aspects of design. Many colleges and universities offer design degrees, providing a variety of programs to choose from. These programs are usually 3 to 4 years long, giving you ample time to develop your skills. You'll graduate with a Bachelor of Fine Arts or a Bachelor of Design, which can open many doors in the industry. Formal education has many benefits, including access to experienced teachers and structured learning. You'll have teachers to guide you through the learning process, offering valuable insights and feedback. You'll get feedback on your work from both instructors and peers, helping you to improve and grow. You'll also meet other designers, which can lead to valuable networking opportunities and collaborations. However, formal education can be expensive, with tuition fees adding up. It's also time-consuming, requiring a significant commitment. If you're looking for a quicker and more affordable option, consider self-study. There are many resources available online and in books to help you learn at your own pace. You can learn graphic design on your own. Whether you're a beginner or looking to enhance your skills, the flexibility of self-paced learning is invaluable. There are many resources available. You can find books, tutorials, and online courses. These resources cater to different learning styles, ensuring that you can find the method that works best for you. Online learning platforms are a great option. Websites like Coursera offer a variety of courses that can fit into your schedule. And Udemy offer design courses. These platforms provide access to expert instructors and a community of learners. These courses are often more affordable than traditional classes. You can save money while still gaining valuable knowledge and skills. Self-study requires discipline and motivation. It's important to set a regular study schedule and stick to it. You need to be organized. Keeping your study materials in order and planning your study sessions can help you stay on track. You need to set goals. Clear, achievable goals can keep you motivated and provide a sense of accomplishment as you progress. And you need to stick to your learning plan. Consistency is key to making steady progress and achieving your learning objectives. The great thing about self-study is that you can learn at your own pace. You have the freedom to study when it suits you best, whether that's early in the morning or late at night. You can focus on the areas that interest you most. This allows you to dive deeper into topics you're passionate about and develop specialized skills, and you can learn from the comfort of your own home. This convenience makes it easier to balance learning with other responsibilities. Section 4. Building your portfolio, showcasing your skills. A portfolio is essential for any graphic designer. It serves as a visual resume, showcasing your skills, creativity, and versatility. It's a collection of your best work, carefully curated to highlight your strengths and unique style. It shows potential clients or employers what you can do, providing them with a tangible sense of your capabilities. Start by working on personal projects. These can be anything that interests you and allows you to explore your creativity. Design a logo for a fictional company. Create a website layout. These projects can demonstrate your ability to handle real-world tasks. Experiment with different styles and techniques. This not only broadens your skill set, but also helps you discover your unique design voice. When choosing pieces for your portfolio, select your strongest work. Quality over quantity is key. Make sure your portfolio is easy to navigate. A well-organized portfolio makes a great first impression. Use a clean and professional design, avoid clutter, and focus on showcasing your work in the best light. You can showcase your portfolio online. This makes it accessible to a wider audience. Platforms like Behance and Dribbble are popular choices. They offer great visibility and networking opportunities. These platforms allow you to share your work with the world, connect with other designers, and get feedback on your projects. Section 5. Networking. Connecting with the design world. Networking is crucial for graphic designers. It's about building relationships with other professionals. Networking can help you find jobs and freelance opportunities. Attend design events and workshops. Join online design communities. Connect with other designers on social media. Share your work and get feedback. Don't be afraid to reach out to established designers. Ask for advice, ask for feedback. You never know where a connection might lead. Networking is about building genuine relationships. Be helpful and supportive. Share your knowledge and experience. Section 6. Continuous learning. Staying ahead of the curve. Graphic design is constantly evolving. New trends emerge all the time. Software gets updated. It's important to stay up to date. Follow design blogs and publications. Attend webinars and conferences. Experiment with new software and techniques. Never stop learning. Continuous learning is essential for growth. It helps you stay competitive, it keeps your skills sharp, and it allows you to offer your clients the best possible service. Remember, the journey of a graphic designer is an ongoing process of learning and development. Embrace the challenge and enjoy the ride.